Hi, I'm A.F. Steadman, the author of Skandar and the Unicorn Thief. I'm going to read a short extract from where Skandar is approaching the hatchery door. Skandar walked unsteadily towards the man. He was older than he'd looked from a distance. His black hair was peppered with grey, and he was so thin that his cheekbones dominated his sallow face. Name? Skandar Smith, Skandar said, his voice cracking. Could you repeat that? Quickly, we haven't got all day. His voice was clipped and harsh. Skandar Smith. The man's wiry eyebrows knitted together in a frown. Skandar held his breath while the man looked for his name on the clipboard. What if there was something Agatha hadn't thought of? Maybe they knew, maybe they checked whether he'd sat the exam and… Presenting Skandar Smith, the man boomed. Skandar thought he might be sick. Skandar moved towards the hatchery door, his legs like lead. He had a mad impulse to run back to the helicopters. That way he'd never know. He could always dream that he'd been destined for a unicorn because he'd never even tried the door. But he could feel the rider's eyes burning into him from above, and he had no choice but to reach out and place his palm on the cold granite of the hatchery door. For one heart-stopping moment, nothing happened. There was a roaring in Skandar's ears that had nothing to do with the sea thrashing against the mirror cliffs. He stared at the door, the disappointment so heavy his knees buckled, his shoulders slumped, and he started to step back and withdraw his palm. But as he did, there was a grinding of stone and a great creaking of ancient hinges. Slowly but surely, the hatchery door was opening. Excitement exploded right from Skandar's toes to the tips of his fingers, and he wasn't taking any chances. As soon as there was enough of a gap, he squeezed through the round entrance and into the darkness beyond. He didn't look back.